Welcome to the third episode of Prop Talk powered by Clematis Properties. In today's episode, we will discuss how you can invest and how Expo 2020 has already started benefiting real estate market of Dubai. To discuss this in detail, I have Sangamitra with me, who will take us through the economics of real estate prices in Dubai and its connection with Expo 2020. Welcome, Sangamitra.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you for inviting me to the show, and it is always a pleasure meeting you, and it seems we are syncing colors today. If we talk about Dubai, Dubai has always been a heaven for businessmen, entrepreneurs and investors alike. So it gives you a remarkable lifestyle and great investment opportunities. The government policies are so market friendly, and these policies have already been designed a decade old. So these policies are already in place. So I would say, and if you see in last one and a half year, Dubai has handled the pandemic situation so well that already in Dubai, already 68% of the people are vaccinated, and the market is absolutely open. There are no restrictions. The restrictions on everything are reducing day by day. So I think this is the best time to invest in Dubai, and from here on, the market is going to boost only.
So what do you think primarily investors are investing in what?
What I would say, if I talk about the real estate market, there are two absolutely great investment options available. One would be an off-plan investment, wherein it gives you value for your money. You can invest in an off-plan property right now. You will get at great prices. And as the prices in Dubai markets for real estate is rising every day, rather I would say every minute. So this is a great time to invest in an off-plan property where you can invest right now and you will reap the benefits later. The second option would be a ready-to-move-in property. As Dubai is expecting around 10 to 15 million people coming in Dubai during the span of Expo. So you can convert your ready-to-move-in properties to short-term service apartments, holiday homes, and you can get the returns instantly. So these two options I would really suggest to the investors who are looking to invest in Dubai.
How UAE government and developers are supportive towards investors during Expo 2020?
Dubai has always been a hub for investment, and especially in this region. It has always given the amount of support needed by the government, and because of the government policies, it has enabled the developers to give flexible payment plans, different benefits to the investors and businessmen. So right now, if we see, there are great visa options available, and the rules are relaxed by the Dubai government so much. If we talk about, there are 4 or 5 types of visa options that are available right now for investors who are looking to invest and stay and reside in Dubai. So the first option would be an option wherein you can invest in a company and you can get a resident visa here. You can invest in real estate and you can get your family here to stay. Also, there is a long-term visa available right now for 5 to 10 years, depending on the investment that you're looking at. So that is also a great option available for investors right now. Also, if we talk about how the country is so friendly for people, and even the people who are old, who are looking at their old age here, they have come up with this excellent retirement option available, which has wherein you can invest an amount of money and you will get a retirement visa in Dubai. So this is how the government is supporting investors and businessmen to invest in Dubai.
So what after Expo 2020?
This is a very good question that you have asked, and I'm getting this a lot from people now. If we talk about the ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, has always been a visionary leader, and this is why the country is like that now. So this is just a stepping stone in the Dubai Expo 2020, and from here I am sure we are going to see more and more investments and growth opportunities for Dubai. I'm sure this is just a stepping stone.
So if someone is ready to invest, what you will suggest?
So Sarah, I would ask two very important questions. The first would be, what is the purpose of your investment? Are you looking at a short-term investment or you are looking at a long-term investment? And what return on investments you are looking at depending on the scenario. So, and the second question that would be, how much you want to invest. So if you, at Clematis Properties, we handle everything. So, starting from identifying the property, coordinating with the developers, finding the right payment plans for you. So your investment journey would be absolutely hassle-free.
Thank you, Sangamitra. I hope this episode motivated you how to invest and clear all your doubts. Looking forward to seeing you all during Expo 2020. As the tagline says, let's connect the mind and create the future. Thank you.